Hi YouTube, welcome back to another haunted video. I'm with my cousin Christian again.
Hi.
Me, Javier. Okay, so we're gonna search this house because now is now a haunted house. Look at all these tables and all of that. Dude, do you really have to do you really have to spook me like that?
I didn't spook you.
Yeah, you did. You just disappeared.
I'm cold. I can't go into
Okay, come on. What's the first room we should go in?
my mom's.
Your mom's room is not that haunted.
I know.
Wait, that's actually a good thing.
You check the closet, I'll check the bathroom.
No, we're supposed to check the closet together. Oh, look, there's a light. Look, there's a light right there. And don't
Okay, let's see.
don't ask about this.
Oh my gosh, that scared me. So,
What is going on?
no, go back. And let me go in there. I don't know what I saw that, but it was kind of brown.
Hey guys, look what I found. I found this.
Well, come on.
Your dreams.
Let's check the bathtub.
No, we don't put it. No, not the bathtub.
Why?
Bathtub is too scary, man.
Not for me. I'm gonna check.
Okay, leave the. I have the light.
Now I check the bathtub.
Hold on.
But
Are the
there's
blood?
one thing in the bathtub we haven't checked.
The toilet.